everybody, I'm Manny B and welcome to my channel. Well, this is it for the Jewelry Making Fun collab for 2023. And as you know, the 18th of every month, we show you or display the items that we make from the collab. And believe it or not, we are in December. Today's December 18th. I'm actually filming this and the it is 11:25 a.m. here in Georgia. So I'm late, right? No, not if I get it done and post it by 12. I'm not late. I had so much going on this month. So Christmas, well, not just Christmas, it's the holiday. You know, we're always busy. But back to the collab. This is the Jewelry Making Fun collab, where on the 18th of each month at 12 noon, we make our show you the items that we make. And we are down to December. As I said, today is the last day for the collab for this year. Oh my God, just looking back. Oh my goodness, it's December already. Soon it'll be December 20. Well, let me stop. I'm going off into a tangent, right? I'm in a good mood today. I just woke up from a nap. Oh, okay, let's see here. Okay. And as you know, if you are a participant or you've been following us with this collabs, you know we've been giving colors, we've been giving options. We have the colors, which is for the month of December, turquoise. We have white, clear, and on metallic. And we can, now under the option number 1, we can make a snowflake theme piece or a set. And I pulled out some pieces for that, but I changed my mind. But under option number 2, which is the option I decided to go with, is to make a turquoise friendly, well, not a turquoise. I got turquoise on the mind. So we are to make a turtleneck friendly necklace, and this right here, this one here is suited me perfectly because I'm always running into issues. What can I wear with this particular turtleneck sweater? Because you know, if you got a turtleneck, you want your necklace to be a little long where you can, you know, it'll show itself. So that is why I chose this, because with the holidays I do wear a lot of turtlenecks and I do like to wear my jewelry where it will show. So I will show you what I made for this month. And hold on just a sec. Okay, what you are looking at is what I made for December, and as I said, I made the turtleneck friendly necklace for this month. So this necklace itself is 30, I wrote it down, 33.5 inches long, and it fits perfectly with my turtleneck. And I'll show you some still shots of it as well. Now, when I was making this, I didn't want to go too elaborate with it. I decided to just keep it simple, just go out the new year, go out of the year. Simple. So what you're looking at is these are, I believe these are 12 millimeter round beads, and they are not real turquoise. And I looked up the word, I kept finding different colors of turquoise, and they come in more than 50 shades of turquoise. They come in blue and green. Well, it's a sort of pale blue and green. That's what the turquoise are. And correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I looked up and I read. So I looked in my little container and I found these 12 millimeter size beads. But I knew I wanted a centerpiece. So I found this piece here in my pendant box. Now, what I did with this piece here is, you know, I'm still in resin. I'm making jewelry out of resin now. And I didn't want to glue this on. So what I did was I found me some tiny little seed beads, and these are 11/0 seed beads. And I attached them on using resin. And y'all, resin is good to use instead of gluing. The resin is excellent. You may want to try that. So I use a row of seed beads just to mimic the color and just to bring out the silver a little bit. And then, like I said, I use the 12 ounce to 12 millimeter balls. And I use some silver spacers. But for this piece here, I use I use the bead caps. I have some silver bead caps here. But for the rest of the 12 millimeter balls, I use spacer beads, and they are all silver. Now, I couldn't go without a pair of earrings, because when I put this on, I said, no, it's missing something. Now, these beads are extremely light, and I made a pair of earrings to go with it. It mimics the color quite well. So I used all of the beads. So this is the set that I made. Now, I also started out, when I was looking at my bargain bead box, I looked at these, and I thought about displaying this as well. Well, I am, right? You forgive me, Lord. Oh, Lord. The toggle class. Oh, yes. And I used the toggle class. This is toggle class. And it's so much easier to use than the lobster class. So I used the toggle class, and I made this set here. And they are top drill beads, and they just kind of fold among themselves. And I had some green beads that I put in there as well. And I thought about that one, but it turned out cute. And I've been wearing this. I had it on all day today, so that's pretty. It really is pretty. And it also, again, it is light. I don't like heavy jewelry. I really don't wear it. But this is cute. But, well, that is it for me. So I will say bye to you. Happy New Year. And don't forget, this is a collab. And what I want you to do, if you don't mind, go back and just check out all the other folks that are in the collab and look at all the jewelry that they make. I know I like to go back and look, and I get ideas. And I sometimes say, why didn't I think of that? But this turned out quite nice, I think. So that's enough of me rambling, and that is it for Annie for the year 2023, participating in the Jewelry Making Fun Collab. So hopefully I'll see you in 2024. You all take care. You be safe. Have a happy, happy holiday. Whether you celebrate Christmas or whatever you do, just be safe, be happy, and take care of yourselves. All right, now, y'all take care. Bye-bye. Oh, just hang in for a second. I'll just show you some still shots. They always look nicer. Bye.